Welcome to our channel How To. Today we are reviewing META QUEST3. This costs about $500, and of course the tax adds to it, so it's a little pricey and doable, very light. So we already opened this box, so just doing the review because you can get it now, Quest 3 from everywhere, and it's really cute. And boxing, I give a kudos to META company for being very recyclable boxes, and then gives instructions inside that you can follow up and then set up your quest. One thing is when it has that like a strap one on the top, especially for people who has the long hair. It was annoying, and then I have to change it to different sizes, and then it just keep cutting hair. So I end up purchasing this one. So this is more a plastic one, and then you can just like roll it in the back to fit it into your head, so you don't have to like keep strapping on the top constantly. So it's really helpful, but I tell you, this is a pricey, and I don't know why when Quest came with this one. It's like over $200, so I guess you're spending a lot of money on the accessory stuff that should have been come with it. And Quest 3 does not come with the case, so if you want to keep things safe, they have their own case here, and it's $70 to $80 depending where you are buying it. It's a cute, but it's a little bulky. I mean, what do you expect from VR? And it has inside like that. Not bad, but I'm not sure if it's a waterproof because the texture they used is kind of like a wool texture. And so it may not protect you well, so keep that in mind. So everything else so far, the experience has been good, and I would like to show you guys how it was when I played games. So let's get to that.